How to see your driver feedback in Lyft. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can see your driver feedback in Lyft. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to see your feedback as a rider, let's say other people have left rating about you, you want to see your rating score, you also want to see what other people have commented about you on the Lyft app. Well, it is very relatively simple to do that. So for that, what you have to do is first just make sure to launch the Lyft app on your smartphone and then tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines icon, you'll find your profile picture, which is at the very top of the screen. So just make sure to tap on the profile picture, and on the next specific page you'll find your rating according to the stars. Now keep in mind, the higher the rating, the more likely the people has chances of accepting your ride, as well as the maximum number of rating is actually 5, so 4.9 is an excellent score. If you want to also view what other people have viewed about you and wrote about you, you can tap on your rating in order to do so. And that's all it takes to see your driver feedback in Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.